Dedeco is proud to have developed a new concept for the do-it-yourself market. It features uniquely designed accessory kits directed at a specific market need and at a customer-pleasing price. We currently offer 11 accessory kits. Let's take a look at each one. The first 5 numbers, 3000, 3100, 3200, 3300, and 3306, utilize a reusable storage container. These have excellent consumer appeal. First, let's discuss the number 3000 Precision Abrasive Assortment Kit. It features 134 pieces and is used for precision cutting, grinding, smoothing, and polishing of metals and plastic. Here are the contents. 36 red cutoff discs. These are the industry standards. They feature heavy-duty grit for fast slicing, slotting, and cutting of metals, plastic, and wood. 36 very thin cutoff discs for sturdy and exact cutting, slicing, and slotting of metals and plastic. 18 rubber polishing wheels featuring an assortment of brown, coarse, for scratch removal, blue, medium grit, for smoothing and polishing, white, fine, for achieving the highest polish. These wheels are made available in square edge and knife edge shapes. 12 rubber polishing points. This set uses the same color code as the rubber polishing wheels and is available in barrel, flame, bullet, and wheel shapes. 12 silicon carbide grinding stones and 12 aluminum oxide grinding stones. These are available in the most popular shapes and are perfect for hard-to-reach areas. 6 grinding wheels for fastest reduction of all metals. And finally, 2 mandrels, a wide flange and a standard flange. All shanks are 3/32 inch. All tools in the 3000 kit run at a maximum safe speed of 30,000 RPM. In fact, all tools in our 11 kits run at that maximum safe speed, with the only exception being our wire brushes, which run at a safe speed of 15,000 RPM.